What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. I am still really high from my workout energy drink, so I thought it would be a great time to film a new video about Kindle Publishing. So, what I wanted to show real quick is how fiction is going. I always got to talk about it. Guys, 5 books out so far. This is just for my fiction books. This does not count my nonfiction. I filtered it out. Yesterday, I grossed 581. And today, so far, it's only 3:30 here in Cali, and we're already up to 4:15. So, it is not just talk that I'm going to reach $1,000 a day. It's a matter of when it'll happen, not if. And when it's going to happen is likely going to be by the end of next month. Then we're going to work on making 3,000 a day, boys. So, it's going down. It's going down. Now, I know the skeptics are going to say, Jacob, well, you grossed 415 today, but you probably spent $600 to get there. Well, good thing you brought that up, because officially, as of now, because I have 5 books up, today I've only spent so far $239 in ads. I am now making a profit daily with my fiction brand. Thank goodness. So even though I'm not profitable overall with this whole venture, I'm now moving in the direction towards the break-even point, and I will hit it real soon. So this is just so exciting to me right now, guys. And like I said, this is just with 5 books out. I plan on getting at least 20 more out this year. So things are coming. Things are going crazy. And what I really wanted to talk about today, because, look, out of everyone you could possibly watch about Kindle Publishing, everyone's either trying to sell you a course, fair enough, and I am too, my course is free though, or, people aren't showing you screenshots of earnings. Like, people are all talk and no walk. Where's the game? I'm just showing you this just to substantiate that, one, I practice what I preach. I do focus on Kindle Publishing. I enjoy it. I am actively working on developing my Kindle Publishing income to where it's more than just $10,000 a month. Why not $100,000 a month, guys? Why not? Gross. If we can make 30 a month net, good enough. So that's where we're at. But, what I'm realizing, guys, and I'm sharing this right now because it's kind of like a learning experience for me, as it applies to you for nonfiction, what you need to do to grow your income past getting more books, if you want to get from $10,000 a month, let's say, to the next level, there's 2 ways to go about it, in my opinion. You either need to continue publishing more books for keywords that are either high in demand so you can scale up, or you need to just scale up your exposure overall for your existing books, okay? Because, guys, the only real reason why I'm making this much money now is because I have more than 1 book out. Now, if you recall in my past videos, I was only grossing 200 a day, which is not bad, but, I spent a lot of money just to do that with 1 book. Now that I have 5 books out for my brand, earnings are amplifying and they're multiplying. So what does that tell you? Yes, having more books out is almost always going to be the solution to increasing your income. But with that, to truly scale up, you need to have more visibility for your books, and that means likely, possibly, you need to scale up your ad spend, okay? Now, if you can spend $1,000 to make $1,000, what do you think of that? There's going to be people that say, well, you spend $1,000 to make $1,000. That's kind of stupid, Jacob. Like, you're just wasting money to make nothing. And yeah, you're breaking even, but realize, what I want you to realize, guys, is getting to making $1,000 gross is really freaking hard. So focus on getting to $1,000 a day first. And then from there, believe it or not, it's actually easier to lean down your ad spend, to optimize it better, to work on your campaigns to where maybe you're only spending $700 to make $1,000, hopefully then eventually $500 to make $1,000, etc. So what I want you guys to do is think big, all right? So just overall with your approach with publishing, you can't get away with making 10,000 a month with 10 books on some random topics on stoicism or whatever. You need to be the baddest man on the planet. You need to be the biggest guy on the block with either one book in like something super popular, hopefully not copyrighted. Okay, look, if you're the #1 person right now for the ketogenic diet, I guarantee you you're making a lot of money. Anyone will know. If you're the #1 authority for a huge keyword like that, you're the baddest man on the planet or woman on the planet. Okay? Or number 2, you can have so many books out that you don't have to maybe spend so much for each book to get them visible, but you have so much content by the way of numbers that you're accumulating revenue with all the work you have combined. And honestly, you're going to have to mix both ideas together to where you're publishing for big keywords and having a big presence for it, while also having a substantial number of books out, so that you're not just capped, maxed out with the potential of 1 book. Instead, you want to max out the potential of 20 books, 50 books, 100 books. That's how you make the big bucks, guys. And what agenda do I have in telling you this? Do I have something to sell you? I'm not even offering coaching right now for publishing. So, I'm just telling you guys how it is. This is real talk. This is the truth. And like I said, yesterday I almost grossed 600. I'm working on going to 1,000, and I am now profitable with my ad spend for making this happen. So I'm telling you how I'm doing it, okay? Now, the key to making your ad spend profitable is you have to put out more content for your brand. Unless you're a one-trick pony that somehow has this killer piece of content that's just going to like dominate and defy the laws of economics. Your ad spend for your brand will be more optimal with either more content out there. Like, I'm not spending any ad spend right now for this book or this book. This is all pure profit. But what I am anchoring my ad spend on are these 2 books here primarily, and a little bit of this one. Okay? But if you can get so much content out where you have content that's running for free, and they're like making you $40 a day consistently, okay? Multiply that by 10. That's going to be $400 a day in pure effing profit. All right? So that's the takeaway here, guys. I mean, this is probably like, I don't even want to say freaking mindset, but this is more like probably a business insight that a lot of you aren't ready for just yet to really comprehend and apply, okay? But once you get there, this will make so much sense to you. So if you aren't at this point yet, and I know a lot of you aren't there yet, again, join thepublishingevolution.com. Everything's freaking free, guys. It's a free course on everything publishing related. And I know someone out there is going to say, Jacob, this is so much easier for you to scale up because you're in fiction, and it's so much easier to scale up in fiction. Exactly. Why not make it easier, guys, and publish for fiction if it's an easier game to scale up? So that's why once we reach 500 members in the Evolution Facebook group, we will release a fiction course absolutely free that will be the baddest fiction course on the planet. It'll be better than anything you could spend $2,000 out there for. We'll put it out there for free just to make a point. Just to make the point that we're making so much effing money from fiction, I don't even need to charge you for it. I don't even need to charge you for the course, because that's how freaking boss things are going to be, all right? So that's my approach right there. And all I ask, guys, honestly, is to grow the community, because what I'm trying to be, how I'm trying to make myself different from the rest of people out there, guys, is this is not the freaking Jacob Rothenberg show or the Bobby show in Evolution. We're trying to grow a community. We're trying to grow a family of positive, cool people that are helping each other reach their goals with Kindle Publishing. And that's why all my stuff is free, guys. So that's why I don't really have upsells. I don't have anything to upsell. I'm not even offering coaching anymore right now for most people. So, just listen to what I'm saying. What I'm saying is legit. I mean, Who else is going to show you a screenshot like this right now in publishing? Who's got a screenshot? Show me someone who's got a screenshot of real earnings and real spend. Who's going to show you? Huh? Right? Okay. Good point. Well, maybe Ramon and maybe Heelan. But other than that, I don't think anyone else is talking, guys. They just want your money, but they don't get the honey. Okay? So that's what I've got to say. I'm probably too hyped up right now. I'm going to chill, keep working on my fiction brand, and I'll see you guys later.